Watch, you can't open the back. You're trying to pry it, it ain't coming out. You got notches that look like this. They do make a tool for this. You can go on eBay and look for watch tool kit opener, something like that. Look for that. They do sell them, probably around $10 or $15. I have a pliers here that's made for crafts, for like doing jewelry and stuff. And what I did is have somebody assist me and hold the watch down. I've already unscrewed this one, but you can get the idea of what we've done here. And I've put this pliers in the two notches that are right there, and you see it turning, and you just turn it counterclockwise. No pun intended. Clockwise. Alright, so that's how you open it. Here, hold this up. Let me show them that it opens. Alright, so if your thingy will unscrew. Sorry, I got one hand here. Help me out, Scott. Can you unscrew it? Once you get it unlocked, and all I did is I pushed really hard down on this. If you could find something else that will pry this open and get it in these notches right there, and maybe you only got two notches, one on this end, one on that end, I'm not sure, but they make them in all kinds, but a lot of them do unscrew and they got tread on them. So I hope this video helped you guys out on how to change your watch battery and get inside your old watch. Thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up.